Hi, this is Jamie from WC Vendors, and in today's video, we're going to be going through how to set up and install our WC Vendors WooCommerce Simple Auctions plugin. This plugin extends WooCommerce Simple Auctions, which you can buy from Code Canyon, which allows you to create auction-based marketplaces such as eBay or a domain marketplace. So as usual, you will need to go to Plugins, Add New. Firstly, you should install and configure Simple Auctions. So we'll install that first. You will need to set these cron jobs up so that your auctions do work. Please do read the documentation on how to set up simple auctions. The second thing we'll do is we'll install our plugin, which provides the interface for auctions on the Pro dashboard. The WC Vendors WooCommerce Simple Auctions plugin doesn't have any settings that need to be configured. However, you will need to set some options in the auctions settings itself. You can find the settings for auctions under WooCommerce Settings Auctions. The new default settings should be okay. However, if for some reason these are checked, you need to uncheck them because the auctions and products will not mix, so they might not show up on the vendor store pages. You might want to include your auctions in the product shortcode, so we're going to uncheck that, and then you can configure your countdown formats and everything else like that. That's all you have to do from the administration side, and then the vendor will get the option to be able to create an auction. We will quickly create an auction product from the vendor dashboard. Here is all the information. Item condition is explanatory. Auction type, normal is highest bidder wins. Reverse, lowest bidder wins. Starting price, add the product. This product will come available. So the auction starts, you can buy now. Start and end price, reserve price has not been met. As the admin, if you want to look at auctions activity, you can see when people have bid and who the winners are. As with most of our extensions, the WC Vendors WooCommerce Simple Auctions plugin extends the required functionality to the vendor dashboard for them to be able to create and manage their auctions. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can comment below. Contact us via our website at wcvendors.com, or you can tag us on Twitter at WCVendors.